wintertime now, so it's cold. On this installment, I've been wanting to get the steering gear hooked up, but there's something I gotta do first before I do that, and that's make a repair on the power steering pump. It's the original one for the car that's 54 years old, and it still works, and the low pressure return fitting is leaking. So let's get into this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here's the power steering pump, and this is the low pressure return line for the pump, and it's not leaking a lot, but it's seeping out, you know, and this is where it's seeping out at, right here, right along this area right here. So what I'd like to try and do is get some solder to flow around here and have that be it, but that don't always work. And then the only thing I have in my toolbox to use after that would be a brazing job, which is a little bit more testy because this is, of course, thin stamped steel for the body of this thing, and I don't want to melt a hole in it, and that would be the end of probably the end of the power steering pump, and I'd have to buy something new. And new pumps these days, they're just not making it. They're cheaply made, and even the new one I bought for my Silverado makes noise, but it's still working, and it's a lot like this one right here, you know, by appearance. So that being said, let's, you know, get the camera in the stand. I'm going to make an attempt at putting some solder on here and see if we can make this, you know, a quick and easy repair. If not, I'll have to try and braze it. Okay, let's give this a shot and see if it works. Don't gotta be pretty, it just gotta work. think I like this. So this attempt at soldering this just isn't working out the way I'd hoped. I mean, it looks like it's sticking, but I really don't trust it. So I'm gonna have to try and braze it. Let's see how this works out. Okay, so I stuck with it, and I was able to use the solder to seal up around the low pressure exit tube. I'll get you in close here so you can kind of see. And like I said, it's not that pretty, but I've got everything covered, I think, that I want to get covered. And it's, you know, I used a file to dress it up a little bit because it was really globby on there. The time will tell if this is a good fix or not when I get it back on the car and it doesn't leak. This is like the original pressure line. There's some light corrosion on it, so I put it on the old wire wheel and made it look like new again. Got that little chore done. And that's about it. Okay, so that does it for this installment. I'm calling it a done deal on the repair. I can't wait to get it on the car and have it running and see if it leaks or not. For those of you that have been like following my channel, I greatly appreciate it. I don't have many subscribers, and I'm hoping to have more later on. I guess maybe the subject matter just isn't popular enough. Whatever. Please like, subscribe, and share. Help grow the channel. All that kind of stuff. And stay warm. Good night.